Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chibera here as always and as usual, and today I'm hanging out with Miss Shine. Should I say hi?
Hi.
Well, her name is Chisombo. A lot of people know her as Shine. She's a makeup artist, a very good one here in Enugu, and we are launching a new series on this channel. So I just said let me tell you guys about it, intimate you, so that when you see these videos you know what they're about. So it's a series called Makeup for Charity. We'll be collaborating on that, and Makeup for Charity is geared towards giving a total makeover to women who are hustling. Talk about petty traders, POS merchants on the roadside, people who do little businesses, small business owners, but mostly females for now. The idea is to give them a makeover, facial makeover and appearance makeover, right? So the idea is to give them free makeup, give them free photo shoots, and if we get more sponsorship or more support, we could also do like wardrobe makeover for them, right? So I think so maybe you should talk more about the project.
Yeah, so it's just a way of supporting these women, a way of trying to remind them that they can look good on any day. It doesn't have to be their birthdays or any special day. They can just look good any day. So it's just a way of encouraging them and supporting them through makeup skill.
Okay, yeah. So and the idea is also and what also prompted this project is because I had a conversation, a woman, it was her birthday, right? I was at the market, so someone was teasing her like, tomorrow is her birthday, I hope you're going to do something about it. And I think what even initiated the conversation was a younger lady passed, so she was coming to buy stuff that she was going to use for her photo shoot. So you guys, I've talked to you about how photo shoots are like mini ashrabi and celebration. So she was like, who has money for that one? It's people that have money that can even afford makeup, talk more of photo shoot and all that. And I was like, why don't we do something for these people, right? There are people like that who genuinely want to celebrate themselves, but because of the high cost of accessing makeup products or even a makeup artist, taking pictures, having good clothes and all of those things. So we just decided to launch this makeup for charity for these women. So the idea is we go to the streets, pick a random person, do the makeup, do the photo shoot, give them the pictures, they'll hold it for life. So even on their birthdays they can share, they could just hang it, and it's going to give them, I feel it's going to give them some kind of inspiration or motivation. Like, you look at yourself every other day, you're hustling, you may not even remember to comb your hair, but when you see the beautiful you on the wall or on your phone, it could just spur you to do more and also encourage you that you are worth more than whatever current situation you're in. So that's the agenda. And at this point, I would also like to ask for your support, right? So the support basically is from, if you have makeup products you wish to support us with, is very welcome. If you're a photographer or you know a good photographer in Enugu, please reach out so that these people will take their pictures for free, or you could just pay for a session for those people. Then if you also want to support with wardrobe accessories or essentials, maybe clothes, dress, shirt, blouse, whatever it is, please, we are welcome. You could be a vendor, you could be an individual, whatever it is. But I'm thinking along the line, when this series starts, you will understand more how to support us. We are very open to that. And yes, you can also nominate somebody. So if you know a woman that is working so hard that deserves a facelift, be it for her child education, Thanksgiving, even if it's nothing, just on a weekend, bring her out, we'll do her makeover, take beautiful pictures, she'll slay and look good for that day. Makeup, see, let me tell you guys, makeup is something, I don't know how it has a psychology to it, right? When you look at yourself and you see like you're glowing, like it has something it does to you. Don't mind me that I'm looking like this, so guys, I've not slept well in days, so don't mind my baby, but makeup does something to women. So we just want to give them that feeling and all. So that is that. So this is the first episode. We'll be seeing more from us on that series on this channel. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop your thoughts in the comment section what you think about makeup for charity. And if there are other ideas, please bring it on. And from now, let's go and meet our first clients for this season or for this series. Oh, she did season now, this series. Anyway, sure. But first episode, first person, let's meet her. Let's go. Bye-bye.
So I'm currently with Ozioma that sells food, and as you can see, she's currently busy at the moment, but she'll be joining me very soon for a brief interview. Stay tuned, guys. What is your name?
My name is Officialshineon.
Okay. What business are you into?
I sell food.
Okay.
That's normal mama foods.
What are your challenges as regards to your business?
My challenge in my business is money aspects. Like I just need to upgrade. There are some things that I need, but for now the finance is not forthcoming the way I'm expecting it. So, and sometimes you experience bad markets, like big time bad markets. Oh, that's my challenge.
Have you done a professional makeup before?
Yes.
What are your challenges with regards to getting a makeup done?
My challenge is the price aspect. Because the price is a bit high. And I understand it's a normal thing.
So I'm organizing a free makeup session for women that are into business.
Okay.
Hope if I invite you, you will come.
Definitely.
Okay. So what are your expectations in regards to this makeup session?
My expectation to look more beautiful. To look wow.
Alright. You'll be free tomorrow, right?
Yes.
So I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I don't wanna lose you after all that we've been through. If you could change my mind, I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I don't wanna lose you after all that we've been through. If you could change my mind, I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I don't wanna lose you after all that we've been through. If you could change my mind, I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I tried to give you everything. You took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause I'm not enough. Maybe it's not enough. give you everything. You took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause I'm not enough. Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away. Maybe it's not enough, baby. I don't wanna lose you after all that we've been through. If you could change my mind, I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me.
So, Ozioma, how do you feel about your makeup?
I feel good. Like, this is a total makeover. I feel good. I love it.
Thank you so much.